In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your work with Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple automation that saves time and reduces repetitive tasks, all within Slack's built-in tools. Start by opening Slack and looking toward the bottom left of your screen. Click on the plus icon you see there. This is your quick access to create things in Slack, and it's the easiest path into automations. From the menu that appears, select Workflow. That takes you into Slack's automation workflow setup, where you can connect simple building blocks to make Slack do routine work for you. Inside the setup, you'll begin by choosing a trigger. The trigger is the event that starts your workflow. Think of it as the when. For example, you might trigger a workflow when a message is posted in a specific channel, when someone reacts with a particular emoji, when a form is submitted, or even at a scheduled time. As you pick a trigger, be specific about the context so the automation fires only when you intend. This keeps your channels tidy and your notifications relevant. Next, set the action. This is the then. The action is what Slack should do after the trigger happens. You could have it send a message to a channel with clear instructions, post a friendly reminder, or forward details to the right place so your team doesn't miss anything. Keep your action text concise and informative, and, when possible, reference details from the trigger so teammates have the context they need without asking follow-up questions. If you prefer a faster start, you can also use Slack's AI tool to draft your workflow. In the same area, look for the text box and simply describe what you want to happen in plain language, like, when a new person joins our channel, send a welcome message with our guidelines, or, every Monday morning, post a checklist for the team. The AI will propose a trigger and an action based on what you typed. Review the suggestion to make sure it matches your intent, and adjust the wording so it fits your team's tone and policies. That's all. With just a click on the plus icon, a quick selection of workflow, a clear trigger, and a purposeful action, or a simple prompt to the AI, you can automate routine communication and free up time for more meaningful work. Start small, keep your messages clear, and build confidence as you go. Soon, you'll have a set of lightweight automations, quietly keeping your team organized and on track.